Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and today I'm going to show you how to take unwanted stickers off of your Funko Pop boxes using Undo. Alrighty, thank you for tuning into the video, and if you've been wondering how to take off stickers off of your Funko Pop boxes like this, $3. That's what this video is about. It's going to be over using the product Undo, which when I was a custom framer at Michael's, we use this a lot to get adhesive stuff off. For example, this removes adhesives like tape, gum, tar, crayon, lip balm, grease, and more. I decided to do this video since I have some Funko Pop boxes. For example, the Willow Funko Pop here, Dark Willow. My Xander one from Buffy as well, and then I have a Gremlins pop too. They have stickers I want to get off. I've done this in the past with my Matt Murdock and my Prince Charming from Once Upon a Time pops, and yeah, it came out really well. So I thought, since I'm going to be doing it again for these pops, I might as well make a video on it to show you guys how to do that. And so that's what we're going to be doing in this video, and hope you enjoy, and let's get right to it. And to start off, you want your Funko Pop of choice that has the problem with the sticker residue, followed by the supplies that you'll need for this process, which would be Q-tips, paper towels, the Undo, disposable gloves, a cup of water, and there we go. The paper towel and cup of water would be an optional choice. That's just my preference, and I'll get to that. Start off by lightly tearing off the sticker as much as you can, and if you can't get it off, it's still going to work the same way as I'm going to show you. And as you can see, the residue from the sticker is still on the box, and that is what we're going to get rid of. If you still have the sticker on the box, it's okay. You're just going to have to work lightly removing the sticker off as you go. I recommend putting gloves on because, well, if the Undo gets on your skin, it's going to get all oily feeling, and, well, personally I hate that. But you shouldn't be touching this stuff with your bare hands anyway. First off, you want to put some of the Undo on the focus point that you want to scrub the residue off. And then lightly rub the Q-tip over the focus point with some pressure, not too hard because you don't want to bend the box. And then keep doing circular rotations. And here and there, just add a little bit more Undo to it so that way it can like have a fresh start every time you start scrubbing again. And then what I like to do, the cup of water is an optional. I like to dab the paper towel in the water and then just rub over the part that I was working the Undo with, just to give it more of a clean feel. And once you wipe that down, if there's still residue there from the sticker, just keep doing the same process over again. The Q-tip, dab, Undo, wiping, and just keep doing it. Sometimes it takes a lot of time, so yeah. Alright, so we are done, and there we go. See, it is gone. For this one though, I noticed the sticker wasn't really on there that bad. Like there's some where like the residue was like really bad. It just requires a lot of work. Maybe your wrist can get tired after a while, or your little fingertips. But for this one, it wasn't too hard, except stupid me. I put a little too much of the Undo. I don't think you can see them. Oh, you probably can a little bit. But right here, it kind of wet the box and it dried that way. So, oh well, it's not that bad. So basically, patience and caution is key to get it done. It's a repetitive process. You just keep putting undo and then wiping it off with a Q-tip or a cloth, and then dabbing it with a paper towel or wiping it. Depends on what you're doing. So like, for example, when I did custom framing at Michael's, we had a lot of things that had been really stuck on the glass or the acrylic for a long time, or it was just really thick residue from the stickers. But it just, sometimes it takes a lot of time, sometimes not really any time. In this case, for this sticker, most of it came off, barely any residue, so that made it easier. But yeah, just, it's a repetitive process, so be aware of that. Right, and if there's anything else you want me to do a video on, like maybe getting undo off of glass, picture frame, something like that, please drop down a comment and let me know, and I'll get right on to that. But in the meantime, I'm done talking now, and as always, stay awesome.